Hi, to turn on Edge Lightning on the Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to open Settings on the phone. From here, find tab which is called Notifications, and then go in Notifications Pop-up Style. After that, you should see this feature Edge Lightning Style, so simply select it. And now you can find many effects for your Edge Lightning. For example, let's try Heart. And this is how it will look each time you'll receive new notification. Let's try something else, for example, this glitter. And here it is. We can switch to Advanced and change transparency. We can adjust width, the same for duration. So if you want to set this Edge Lightning effect, then just tap done, and now you'll see it each time you'll receive new notification. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.